Okay, I'm actually very excited about that. Hi everybody. This is a tool that I found that just can help you understand a little bit more about social media in general and YouTube, how everything is works. So let me just show you. This is Social Blade, and it basically gives you analytics about accounts, whether it's YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and other social media platform that's out there. And it is very cool because you can just understand how other people succeed. Like, you see, if you want to start a YouTube channel or you have an Instagram account and you just want to understand other people that do the same thing that you do, you just can get the numbers and the knowledge to understand what exactly going on with their channel. So as you can see, this is about YouTube, right? Yes. Okay, so you just see a list of the highest followers or view channels. You can sort it out by views or followers, but as you can see, you can check by country. Actually, if it's the US or the UK, there are a few others. It's not going for the whole world, which is unfortunate, but still it just can give you an idea about the numbers and the estimated earning of a channel. So I think we're just going to choose the US. This is the highest subscribers and viewers. This is so funny to see that the first one that you see here is a kids channel. But yeah, let's just sort it by subscribers. Okay, so this is the list of the top 25 of the most successful YouTube channels by subscribers. So if you just see, that gives you a number, that gives you how many uploads they have, and if you click on one of them, you will get more analytics about the channel. So this is actually so great. So let's just click on the first one. I think, yeah, let's just do that. This is very popular channel, so everybody I think know this channel. Obviously it's in the top 5. So yeah, you can see the numbers. When it comes to estimated earning, you can see other numbers. You can see when it started uploading. Here there is like a table that you can see how many subscribers he have and how many new ones and how many unfollowed. Yeah, so it's a great tool and you can just check it out and understand more about your competitions. Okay, so another great tool on this website is you have the ability to compare between channels, and you actually can use it in other social media, and it gives you a great information about other channels. And if you have channel, you can compare yours to someone else. I think we will just check something. Let's do kids channel. Let's take this one. And yeah, let's go back. And compare this channel to another successful kids channel. Okay, let's just, yeah, Little Baby Bomb. So this is the two channels, and this is all the analytics that the website gives you. The difference between the amount of subscribers, the amount of views, uploads, and just all kinds of numbers that just can help you understand how this channel works. And yeah, so you can see views, and you can see by subscribers, and you can actually compare between three also. So yeah, this is a very great tool to use and just help you understand how things works, and just I think it can help you inspire, be better, and just find the YouTube channel that you want to be like, and just follow it and check their numbers, and just understand better how you can be successful in the same way. So thank you for watching. I hope you find this video helpful, and I have a few more tools to share with you, so stay tuned. Thank you.